back to our channel. Tonight we're going to be making something quick and easy, which is going to be some barbecue drumsticks in the air fryer. And I have my partner in crime here with me to help me. Okay guys, so we have our drumsticks here. They have been washed off. They're all clean. And now we're going to start seasoning them. So the first thing we're going to use is going to be some black pepper. So go ahead and sprinkle some black pepper on it. Good job. Okay, the next thing that we're going to use is going to be some Memphis style barbecue seasoning. And we have some adobo seasoning as well. And I have here some roasted garlic, rosemary, and sea salt. And now I have some mustard. I like to put mustard on my chicken. Now that the chicken has been seasoned, we're just going to mix it all together to make sure the seasoning gets all over the chicken. Our hands are clean. The chicken looks like after it's been seasoned. My love muffin is going to place the chicken inside of the basket. So we had 6 pieces of chicken and it looks like only 5 will sit inside of the air fryer basket, but that's fine. Okay, now we're over at our air fryer. Madison is going to go ahead and slide the basket in. And we're going to turn our temperature up to 425 degrees. And we're going to put these on for 25 minutes, turning halfway. Okay, so it looks like I have about 10 minutes left on my air fryer. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what they're looking like. Not bad. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go ahead and flip them over. I don't think 10 more minutes is going to be enough. So I'm going to do an extra 15 minutes on these drumsticks and see what happens. Okay, so it's a little less than 5 minutes left on the chicken. I'm just going to cut into one just to make sure that it's done before I put the barbecue sauce on it. And it looks like it's done. So I'm just going to put some barbecue sauce on it now. And I just have some honey sweet barbecue sauce, Kroger brand. Just going to brush some barbecue sauce on it. Going to flip it over and put barbecue sauce on the other side. Okay, now that the barbecue sauce is on it, I'm going to turn it back to 5 minutes and let it do the remaining 5 minutes. Okay, so I have my taste tester here. You ready to taste it, Mook?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see what you say. Be careful, it's hot. All righty.
Yeah.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Is it juicy?
Mm-hmm.
It is? Mm-hmm. What you like about it?
I like the barbecue sauce and the chicken.
So I get a 2 thumbs up?
Yeah. Which is a 10.
Yeah! Which is a 10?